Hello people, Kevin Thailand here. Today, well, this morning, it's 8:30 in the morning, and I've come down, met a couple of mates, probably not here yet. We're at the new RETOX too. We're in SOI Honey, runs between Soi Buakhao and Second Road. We're up early this morning, got in late last night, and we come down, we're going to watch the Conor McGregor fight, the rematch. So we're going to have a bit of breakfast and stuff. They do, I've got to say this, they do the best bit of bacon I've had in 2 years in Pattaya. Fucking Chinese. Anyway, they do the best bit of bacon I've had in 2 years in Pattaya. The small breakfast, 95 baht. Amazing breakfast. I'll say amazing bacon. Sausage is nice. It's not big, but it's just right for 95 baht. So let's go in, have a quick look, see what's going on. The first thing in here, obviously, it's a sports bar. They show everything. There's about 40 TV screens in here. Some really large ones. That's a 4-in-1. Some real huge screens, and it's really it's a great bar. So enjoyable. But you can come in and watch 4, 5, 6 different football matches. They've extended out into this area now, and they've put a restaurant in. and the restaurant area, it's brilliant. And in the booths, Peter's here, 2 metre. You don't miss anything. They've got screens on all the tables. Also, all around everywhere, they've got these little rechargers for your phones. Yeah, they could be rechargers, Peter. Massive screen, projector screen at the end there. It's not to say it's 8:30. It's going to be busy. They're all having their breakfast, waiting for the fight to come on. For me, Sunday morning, getting up at 7:30 to be here, it better be a good fight. It really is. Where they've extended this also, you've now got 2 entrances, so you can come out the back entrance, and you turn left here, immediately on Second Road. I'm not sure whether that goes down into Soi Buakhao or whether you can get through. But the good thing about the 2 entrances, you can always keep an eye out. If you've overstayed your visa, you'll see immigration come through the front, you can nip out the back, or vice versa. Well, that's got to be one of the best UFC fights I've seen ever. Well done, Conor McGregor. And I'd just like to add the RETOX Bar 2 in SOI Honey. They actually have 14 rooms at the guest house at 600 baht a night in low season and 900 baht a night in high season. Apparently they said they also do golf tours. So if you're a golfer looking for somewhere in a good position to stay, yeah, SOI Honey. Doesn't get much better really. I'm going to pop over to the currency exchange, give you a quick look at the currencies. So I'll see you there. Monday 21st of August. Let's have a look quickly at the exchange rates. That's today's exchange rates, the TT currency exchange. And congratulations, well done, Conor McGregor. Good on you, boy. Anyway, it's only a short little vlog. I thought I'd come down, show you the RETOX too, bar well worth using. And it's 24-hour food and drink. It doesn't stop. So, just a short one, just to show you the RETOX bar and let you know I'm watching the fight. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up, a like and a share. Please subscribe, and have a good day. I'm going to. Bye bye.